subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSoul blog.
Vivo will be quite busy this month as the Chinese smartphone maker is going to unveil two devices by the time April comes along. On March 19, at an event in its home country, it will make the X21 official as revealed through the official channels today. What you see here is the invite for that, which tells us that the X21 will follow in the footsteps of the Vivo X20 Plus UD and comes with an under-display fingerprint scanner. However, that's about everything we know of it so far, since the X21 has been curiously absent from any recent leaks. Given its name, we expect it to be a successor of sorts to the X20. Hopefully, more details will be revealed in the next few days. Otherwise, we will have to wait until March 19 to really get to know about the phone. So, what are your thoughts about the Vivo X21? Do let us know in the comment section below. And as always, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share. And for more tech updates, subscribe to our channel TechSoul blog. Thank you and see you guys in the next one.